Okay, this is chapter 3, which is about record keeping. And in chapter 3, the big idea is discuss how to track expenditures and how to create and maintain a budget. We have 3 objectives for this chapter. For lesson 3.1, we're going to compute the average monthly expenditure. For lesson 3.2, we're going to use records of past expenditures to prepare a monthly budget sheet. And lesson 3.3, compare the amount budgeted to the actual expenditures. So what is a budget? I have 2 kind of different definitions here. A budget is a record-keeping process that helps individuals, families, businesses, and governments to make wise financial decisions. With a budget, you compare how much money you are spending with how much money you are earning. So really, what is a budget? So please pause the video and write that down. Record keeping is keeping track of items you spend money on during a period of time to help you manage your money. So you know what you're spending, what you can cut, or what you shouldn't buy so that you can save money and that you don't spend too much money. So here is an example of the problems you're going to have today. So Selena and Trent Miller keep records of their expenditures. They want to know how much they spend each month for various categories. Here are their records for 3 months. What is the average monthly electric bill? So as you can see here, the formula is on your note-taking sheet. It's the sum of the monthly expenditures divided by the number of months. So we are going to be finding the average of items, or another name for average is mean. Okay, so we've learned how to do this and reviewed this. So that's pretty much what you're going to be doing today. So you add up the 3 months, you're dividing by how many months there are. So there's 1, 2, 3. This is the same as this. And this is what their monthly electric bill will be. So here is some other examples of what you might have problems. There might be more. So for here, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So what I would be doing is adding up these months, and then I would divide by how many months there are, and this would be 5. So I would add that up and divide by 5, okay? So depending on how many months you have will be the number that you divide by. Sometimes this will be an example like this, where you will see we might have an example like this. So this is all their expenditures for every month. So if I was going to do credit cards, I would find the credit card here, find the credit card here, and find the credit card here. So in July, I spent $121.74. In August, I spent $298.65, and in September, I spent $171.28. So I'd actually take $121.74 plus $298.65 plus $171.28, and I would add those up, and then I'd be dividing by 3, and I would get my answer for what my average monthly expenditure is. Okay, so once you've taken the notes, then you can go on to the practice and then the mastery check.